Yeah, just for any of those dickheads out there that suffer from road rage, this is how we park them in China. Perfect park. Hey guys, Nick here from M4A1 Gel Blaster, and I've dropped in here to Jing Ming, and I'm going to do a review on the much awaited for 8K. Now, a lot of people already have this on pre-order, and I can't do a full review of it yet because they actually haven't completely made it yet. Okay, so this is what I got to show you. We got the stock, we got the receiver, like that. There we go, the stock and the receiver, and we have the gearbox, okay? We do have one other part here, okay, just a minute. So it just came, holy shit, that's hot. I can feel it through the cloth. So that there is the part that we're going to be able to use on the receiver to pick up the buffer tube. There we go. Shit, that thing's hot. There we go. There we go. We've got a little bit more of the AK now. Obviously, that's for your buffer tube. So that's it, guys. So if you're waiting for your pre-ordered AK, don't hold your breath because you won't be getting it real soon. So looking forward to getting it in and look forward to you guys getting a hold of it. Thank you.